Hey Mary, my name is Jessica and I'm calling from Peterson SEO, and today I had the pleasure of speaking with Amy, and this is the video we discussed to show you how you can improve your website so you can bring in more customers for free. So here we are on your website, and I realize that you do sell hot tubs, saunas, and pools, but for the purpose of this video and to be able to compare with one of your competitors, um, for this video, we're going to focus on your pool renovation and repair services. So, um, you do have a nice looking website. Unfortunately, Google does not rank you based on appearance. They use robots called crawlers that search the internet and index your pages based on buyer intent keywords. What a buyer intent keyword is are the actual keywords people are going to use to find your products and services in your local area, or service areas. So you want to make sure that you're using those buyer intent keywords with those locations in them. And you want to make sure you have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, which breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. And you're going to need to do similar with all of these other pages. You want 150 words for every keyword that you're targeting, and you want to make sure that for each of these areas and different services that you have more content than your top competitors. In the renovation area, one of your top competitors is Home Pools. They also have a decent looking website. And they have some content. They got a little bit more content than your homepage, but not nearly enough. So if you increase your content and really work on those keyword strategy, these guys should be relatively easy to beat and at least become more competitive with in the renovation realm. This is a program that we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how your website is performing. Currently, Google has given your website an 11, which is relatively low and means that Google doesn't have a whole lot of trust in your website, and that has everything to do with your backlinks. You have 764 backlinks, which is a lot, and only 11 rating, which means that a good portion of these backlinks are not helping you, they're actually hurting you. You want to make sure that you're only using authoritative backlinks, and any type of spammy or junky backlinks, you want to get those disavowed, get those removed, and then go back after those authoritative ones. And you need to have more backlinks than your top competitor, whether you're looking at your sales or you're working on your services. For each of those competitors, you need to be able to beat them in your backlinks and your content. And with your current keywords and backlinks, you're receiving about 624 visitors to your website of over 10,000 local searches every month. So you're missing out on quite a bit. Now, if we look at your competition, they have a domain rating of a 20 with over 1,300 backlinks. So they have more backlinks and more authoritative backlinks. They've got more keywords, and they're generating organic traffic of 1,500 every month. So you definitely got to work on your content, keywords, and backlink strategy. What a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant it is to your industry, the higher it's going to rank you. So you want to make sure they're authoritative. You also want to make sure they're do follows instead of no follows. No follows don't do much to give you any power, but a do follow will actually share the power of those high ranking sites with you and help increase your rank in Google and moving you to the first page for all of your relevant buyer intent keywords and locations for all of your pages. And the last thing I wanted to show you is when a customer puts a search in Google, one of the first things that pops up are ads, and the second part is the Google My Business or Google Map Pack. For various keywords, you are in the top three. For the renovation section, you are not. So you definitely want to be in the top three for all of your relevant keywords and your service area. Your goal should be to be in the top three because 30% of customers stop here and they won't even go to the website. They're not going to view all or go anywhere else. And it's a very competitive area, so you definitely want to make sure you continue working on your Google My Business so you can maintain in that spot and be here for your other relevant keywords. Now, besides the optimization of your website, the other biggest factor is going to be your citations, which is the name of your company, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Facebook, and Yelp. And you need to have a lot more of those than your top competitor. And since you have different types of sales and different service niches, you're going to have to be more than your top competitors for each of those categories. When you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become number one across Google for all of your buyer intent keywords and all of your back pages as well. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've given you and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is free education. I just ask that you please give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. But if you decide you would like more help getting this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.